Four ways in solving quadratic equation. The first method is square root method. So we have example number 1, x squared minus 4 equals 0. So first we are going to transpose negative 4 to the right. So negative 4 becomes positive 4. Then we will take the square root on both sides. Square root of x squared equals square root of 4. Then the square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 4 is plus and minus 2. Then we have our first solution, x sub 1 equals positive 2, and the second solution is negative 2. So number 2 is factoring. So we have example x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So the first step, we are going to factor 6. So we have the factor negative 3 and negative 2. Because negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. And negative 3 plus negative 2 is negative 5. So we will use the zero product property. X minus 3 equals 0, and the other one is x minus 2 equals 0. So we will transpose negative 3 to the right, that x becomes positive 3. And we will transpose negative 2 to the right, so x equals positive 2. Then we have our number 3 method, which is completing the square. So we have example x squared minus 8x plus 10 equals 0. So first you are going to transpose positive 10 to the right. So positive 10 becomes negative 10. Then we will divide 8, the 8 divided by 2, then square. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, then 4 squared is 16. So we will add 16 to both sides. Then we will take the square root of x squared, which is x, then copy negative, and the square root of 16 is 4, and then square. Equals negative 10 plus 16 is positive 6. Then using the square root property, so the square root of x minus 4 squared is x minus 4, and the square root of 6 is plus and minus square root of 6. Then we will transpose negative 4 to the right, so negative 4 becomes positive 4, then copy plus and minus square root of 6. So our first solution is x sub 1 equals 4 plus square root of 6, and the second solution is x sub 2 equals 4 minus square root of 6. And the last method is quadratic formula. So we have the formula x equals minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then we have example x squared plus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Then we are going to determine the value of a, b, and c. So the value of a is 1, and the value for b is positive 8, and the value for c is positive 15. Then we are going to plug in all the values of a, b, and c in the formula. So x equals negative 8 plus and minus square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 15 over 2 times 1. Then we will simplify. X equals negative 8 plus and minus 8 squared is 64, and negative 4 times 1 times 15 is negative 60. Then over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have here the result. X equals negative 8 plus and minus 64 minus 60 is 4 over 2. Then x equals negative 8 plus and minus the square root of 4 is 2 over 2. Then we have our first solution. X sub 1 equals negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 2. And the second solution is x sub 2 equals negative 4 minus 2. So the result is negative 6.